Make the ground shake.
What's going on, everyone? Solar Eclipse here, back at it again with a brand new video. In today's video, I'm going to be making something I've never made before. I'm going to be making a vlog, and I'm sorry I didn't upload last week. I was really busy, but next week we'll get back on the flow of 2 videos a week, and let's get started. Forgot to tell you guys, we got a new puppy. Her name is Sophie. I'll show her you right now. Sophie, come here. Come here, girl. Okay, in today's vlog, we're not really doing much. We're just taking the dog on the walk and messing around, but we had no other video idea to do, so I just thought we'd make a vlog. Here in a minute, we're gonna take Sophie on a walk, and I'll videotape that. She's cute. She's a cute doggy. But yeah, we're gonna take her on a walk. So cue the montage.
My feelings can't explain.